Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck, one of the most talked about vehicles in recent years. Tesla's all-electric, futuristic truck is here, and we're going to break down everything from its bold exterior design to its high-tech interior, performance specs, and price. Let's start with the exterior. The Cybertruck's design is unlike anything else on the road. Its sharp, angular shape is inspired by sci-fi movies, with an exoskeleton made of ultra-hard stainless steel. It's built to withstand nearly any impact, making it incredibly durable. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying this truck stands out. Moving to the interior, Tesla has kept it simple but futuristic. The cabin is sleek, with minimal buttons and a massive touchscreen in the center for controls. You'll find seating for 6, with the option to fold the rear seats for extra cargo space. The dashboard has a clean, modern look, and, of course, the interior is packed with the latest Tesla tech, including autopilot capabilities and a top-of-the-line sound system. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cybertruck doesn't disappoint. With powerful electric motors, it offers insane acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.9 seconds. It's not just fast, it can also tow up to 14,000 pounds, making it more than capable for tough jobs or off-roading. Now, for the price. The 2026 Cybertruck starts at around $40,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $70,000. While it's not exactly cheap, the performance and features you're getting make it worth considering. Overall, the Tesla Cybertruck is a game changer in the electric truck world, blending innovation with utility. Would you buy it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.